A man is dead in White Pine after what police are calling a road rage incident. White Pine police say that shooting happened around 5:20 this morning off Roy Messer Highway at exit 4. They say it started as a road rage incident and ended with a 20-year-old man shot at a red light. Police say the suspect is a 59-year-old man. He did stay at the scene and is now in custody. The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office and TBI are helping with this investigation.
This person has probably ruined his whole life over this road rage shooting.
Now, Portland police releasing video of the moments they captured two men firing shots on Rocky Butte. Last night, just after 7, officers spotted someone firing shots out of both the driver and passenger windows of a pickup truck on northeast Rocky Butte Road. Officers say some shots were being fired at homes. Officers attempted to stop them, but the driver took off. After a chase, police were able to stop the truck using spike strips. 2 people were arrested and charged with unlawful use of a weapon. Officers say 2 guns were also seized. No one was hurt in the shooting.